it's Valerie, and this is your core work that we're going to start off. Now, first lie down on a mat, put your feet down, and make sure you have this hollow right below your lower back, right below your belly button. So you feel that the lower back pushing into the floor and then releasing it. Pushing into the floor and releasing. You want to isolate those abs, so you don't want to press into the floor. You don't want your shoulders to come up. Imagine this P right behind your lower back, between the lower back and the mat. You're squashing the P and relaxing. It's almost like you're engaging to have like this cat or something come onto your belly. You'll feel it even more when you lift the feet and you don't use the legs. Now, if you extend your legs to the front, you're going to feel this hollow in the lower back. It's going to be even harder, but more specific, to push your lower back towards the mat. Now, notice your shoulders relaxed, your legs relaxed. The only thing that's moving are your abs, the inner abs. Relax the shoulders. Exhale, push your lower back down. Inhale, release. Exhale, push your lower back down. Inhale, release. I call this squash the P. Now keep the tension in your abs. Push your arms up and back and front. Up and back and front. Keeping the tension on the abs, but keep breathing. And now you are engaging those abs, pretending there's a cat walking over your abs and you're protecting everything inside. Keep breathing and then relax. This is the principle I call squash the P. Then come up onto your buttocks, put your toes on the floor, heels off the floor, and then lift your feet off the floor, balance, and put your toes back. Lift, balance, lean back as far as you can without falling, and come forward. Lean back, pushing the lower back down, and come forward. Now you may roll back, and that's totally fine, but challenge yourself to go as far as you can without rolling. If you roll, just come forward. Go back, inhale, exhale, come forward. Roll back, inhale, exhale, come forward. And this is all about training the core to steer. You want to challenge yourself there, so go far back. Inhale, push the lowest vertebrae direction of the mat, and then come forward. Relax the shoulders. Now we're going to the rolling like a ball. If you put your hands on the knees, it's the easiest. Roll back, roll front, stay put. Inhale, roll back, exhale, roll front, and break. If you're a bit more advanced, put your hands to the feet, which is a bit more difficult. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, roll up, and balance. Stay put. Now notice the distance between the heels and the buttocks is equal. It remains the same. Because when you don't do that, you're going to be swinging from the legs. So heels stay close to the buttocks, nose stays close to the knees, and you're like this compact ball. That's why it's called rolling like a ball. Roll back, roll forward, stay put. Now what's going to help you, I call it the joker, is the breath. As you exhale, come up, as if you had a mirror in front of your mouth, and you are going to really fog up that mirror with a ha sound. Inhale, exhale, ha. Balance. Inhale, roll back, exhale, ha. Now you can make this even more difficult by going even slower. So you're going to resist going back and coming forward. Now come up to balancing like a ball. You're going to keep the distance between the knees and the shoulders the same. And to do so, put your pinky on the pinkies on the knees, the thumbs on the shoulders. Roll back and try to keep that same distance in between the knees and shoulders. It's going to be difficult because you're going to swing the legs. You're going to feel exactly where you need to work. There, right? So use the breath, use the core, and roll. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, balance. Stay where you are. Now, at any time, if you roll forward and you need to put your toes down, go ahead, because it's going to prevent you from even rolling forward even more. And then watch what the pelvis is doing, because it's going to want to shift forward. Keep it back. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, roll forward. Now, at any time, if this becomes too heavy, go back a level. So then put your hands by your feet. Or go even further back. Don't roll, just shift your weight back and forth. That's how all the exercises are built up. So we start very easily, step 1. We go on to step 2. If you're good there, step 3. If you're good there, step 4. And if that's not good, step 3, go back. Okay? So you challenge yourself for the difficult, not impossible. Then put your feet down. Roll back gently. Take a deep breath. And before you close your eyes, you may want to grab your headphones. So if you don't, then pause this video, grab your headphones, and then start the video again. Hit play. Get ready for meditation. Concentration and focus meditation. This is Valerie Ketjen, also known as Miss Vitality. I will guide you through this short introductory practice to train the mind and increase clarity and concentration. Now, before we start, take 3 deep breaths to relax the body. You can yawn and stretch if you want to increase the stretch in the lungs. So inhale, take a deep breath, open the rib cage, and as you exhale, release gently and feel more relaxed in the body. Take another deep breath in, increase the rib cage as far as you can, expand it all the way up and sideways, and release in your own time. Just relax the whole body. And one more time, you may even want to yawn as you take one deep inhale and exhale again, feeling relaxed and calm. Now sit down comfortably and be sure to close your eyes. Sit in a position in which you can stay for 5 minutes. After closing the eyes, focus on the air that's coming in and going out of your nose. Notice how this air brushes against the inside of your nose, causing the hairs within your nose to send a signal to your brain and identify a certain feeling, a sensation. Now investigate that feeling and identify its features objectively. For example, is the air coming in hot or cold? Is it damp or dry? And does the brushing of the air cause a vibration, a twitch, a tickle, or a shiver in your nose? Just observe that sensation anytime the air passes through your nostrils. If you can't feel the air coming in or going out, then breathe slightly heavily until you do really feel the air coming in and going out through the nostrils. Then return to your natural breath and feel and observe that more subtle feeling. Just observe that sensation. Be sure not to judge it from a personal perspective, so there's nothing good or nothing bad. It just is. Just notice the factual sensation. Now practice this for as long as you can to hold that attention. Inhale, feel the breath coming in through the nose, and objectively observe the sensations. The same as you exhale, feel the breath going out through the nostrils, and objectively observe any sensations. Keep going and notice any sensations, keeping your eyes closed and your body relaxed. Now, whenever you notice your thoughts running off, command your mind to focus back on the air coming in and going out of the nostrils. And then finally, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply before opening your eyes and continue your day with clarity and focus, knowing this will be a good day.